All right, we just opened the Canon Pixma G6020. I absolutely love this printer. I have one at home. This is my second place up north, and I wanted one up here too so I could do some work up here, but it's $200 on Amazon. I can send you the link. Super great printer. I've had it for another one for about 1.5 years now, and I just love it. So it comes with printer head and all the colors you need. It actually comes with 3 black. So, and this ink will last like 5 to 6 months. I print all the time, and it lasts forever. Okay, so what you first want to do is remove and dispose of any of the packaging materials and any of the orange tape that you see. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that off. We're going to open up the scanning unit and remove the orange tape on here. And on this side. This just keeps things together from flopping around when shipping. Go ahead and lift that up, and we can remove this. And that orange plastic will come out with it too. There we go. That just prevents the cartridge from moving around. Okay, so next we are going to install the print head right here. So go ahead and open it up. And I might have to put my phone down to go get it. Okay, so there are actually 2. There's a B and a C. So we can go ahead and move the tape on both of them and pull this off. This one's the color cartridge. I guess that stays on. And the black. And then in your printer, you can, there's this little knob. Just squeeze that together and these 2 will pop open. There we go. And it pops up. And that is where you are going to insert your cartridge. So you're going to want to put it in. Let me just grab it the right way here. I believe it's this way with the computer chip facing, and that is C. Go ahead and insert that. Computer chip and B. And then click down both joint buttons so they pop down correctly. And there we go. And then we can pour in our ink. This is where the black goes. So we're just going to open up the top here. We've got our black open, and this stuff is awesome. It's spill proof, so it's not going to spill until it is inserted in here. And make sure you're inserting the right colors, because that could be a problem. Mixing up the wrong colors, that could be a huge problem. It will probably totally ruin your printer. So we can wait for that to stop, and we'll go ahead and open up the blue. Putting in my last color now, the magenta. And once it's full, there should be a little ink left in there yet. Go ahead and close that, and we can turn our machine on and start the setup process.